Welcome to Module 9, and in this particular module we're going to look at styling our application. At last, we're going to make our app look like an application. And what we're going to look at in this module. And in this module, our components are finally going to get a makeover. And we'll be using Semantic UI to style our application. This course is not focused on CSS. And we'll be using Semantic UI components to provide pretty much 99% of the styling of our application. There will be occasions where we need to add a small piece of styling, but not a great deal. And let's take a look at a before and after picture of where we currently stand and what we're aiming for by the end of this particular section. And the styling at the moment is all we've got really is the equivalent of a to-do list. We've got a home page with no style at all. And we've got a form that takes up the full width of the screen. And our details page is just a giant image and no real room there for any information. And if we take a look at the after picture, we've now got a home page that's styled correctly. We've got our activities grouped by dates, and each date will have all of the activities that are running on the same dates listed underneath them. And this is the look and feel that we're going for in this particular application. So that's what we're aiming for, and that's what's coming up next.